Yeah. I won't be lying in the valley of the greens, and I will tread in the hills and the valleys and the streams. Everything is conscious and righteous. Whoa, everything is clean. Yeah. Boom, boom. Well, and that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. So we're not gonna stray, and we're not gonna play. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. Life we promote well every night and day. Well, and that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. And that's how we stay, and that's how we stay. Burning y'all. After when them feel like, well, for them to real life, wow. Them never must to see life. Then why you take a real life, wow. Now after when them feel like, well, for them to real life, wow. Them never must to see life. Then why you take a real life? They all in a killing spree. They want to kill all the people, them in the world they kill for free. All in a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like me promote and I will never disagree. All in a killing spree. They want to kill all the people, them in the world they kill for free. All in a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like me promote and I will never disagree. Yo, that is the ultimate, so I will never intervene. I know I won't be lying in the valley of the greens, but in the hills and the valley, the springs and the stream. Well, righteousness, more being. Well, Babylon, Missy said them not straight, Missy said them lean. Well, Emperor Selassie is the high supreme beam. Well, righteousness, they get the youth say, burn them. They all on a killing spree. Them want to kill out the people, them in the world they kill for free. All on a killing spree, yeah. Well, I like to promote and I will never disagree. They all on a killing spree. Want to kill out the people, them in the world they kill for free. All on a killing spree, yeah. I can't do they want to tell them something.
In the world with so much pain, but I know, Lord, you will see me through. From day to day, my life is so hard. Nowhere to go but open prayer. Father, have me today. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. Give me faith. I always pray. In my life, there's always ups and downs. Father, you know I'm always wearing a frown. Give me strength to face another day. And one sweet day, I'll overcome. Father, have me today. Yeah. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. Give me faith. I always pray. Father, I know stressed I must be. Why me, Lord? Why can't eat to share? I won't give up. You'll see me there. You'll take my hand. I have no fear. Father, have me today. Yeah. Make my life okay. Strengthen my feet to walk your way. And give me faith. I'll always pray. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Give me strength.
Still I got to stay alive. Temptation cometh on a double. Still I know I must survive. People ask me how I make it, but with strong faith we all can do it. With God in my heart, I am willing to play my part. He is forever my resort. Oh God, Jah will always see me through. Turns my gray skies into blue. Well, Jah will always make things work out right. Yes, everything will be alright with Jah here inside. By the sweat of my brow, I eat my bread. Yes, I work hard and produce on ahead. I live a life of honesty, knowing one day I'll see victory. Oh yeah, Jah will always see me through. Yes, turn my gray skies into blue. Jah will always make things work out right, and everything will be alright with Jah here inside. I will rise early in the morning and give thanks for all my blessings, yes, knowing that Jah is good to me. True love and mercy I receive. Oh, true love, yes. True love and mercy. Oh, Jah will always see me through. Lord, turn my gray skies into blue. He will always make things work out right. Yes, everything will be alright with Jah here inside. Every day I face the struggle. Yes, still I got to stay alive. Resistance coming in a double, but I know, so there's no reason. But I know Jah will always see me. Well, I've been traveling down these roads of life. Things I've seen brought tears to my eyes. Too much anger in the world today. Dear Lord, touch these youths and show them a better way. Where's the love? Where's the passion and the unity? All gone, I don't know, but the memories linger on. Only love, sweet love, can heal the world today. Only love. So listen when I say, only love, dear love, can change the world today. Only love. So hear me, Father, when I pray. I just can't take the situation. No. Violence been plaguing our nation. It's been going on too long. How can we be strong? I don't know where this road leads. I pray it brings us to peace. A nation that rise with love, bring evil to its knees. Where's the love? Where's the love? Where's the passion and the unity? All go on. I don't know, but the memories linger on. Only love, sweet love, can heal the world today. Only love. So listen when I say, only love, dear love, can change the world today. Only love. wipe away transgressions. Too much, too little, too late. And take them away from Rome to the land. Sure, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go. You know, who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go. Ah, yeah. Yo, man go tried it in a Zimbabwe. None of them couldn't sing that day. Liberation I bring that day. So them a feel the king that day. Man go chat down a Ghana. Judgment me take them when me chat Botswana. On a business who want say that me a informer. Ask them about genocide reaching a Ghana. Well, let's go, let's go, let's go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let go, let go my people, yeah. Whoa, let's go, you know, let's go, oh yeah. Let's go, let go, let go. Well, me got a shamani until the wicked man not try to swarm me. A 4 layers of bomb, cause tsunami. They all them come up, guani, guani, again. Well, me got a Ethiopia, the emperor's own home. Tell the girls how you them stay away from Rome. Tell them say to leave Babylon alone. Hey, some me said, let go, let's go, let go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go, let go, let's go, let go. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let go, yeah, yeah. Ha. See that now, chop. Well, me got shot Gambia. Right I know me tell them me burn out the Zambia. And tell me black command them say no use no Ambia. Bigger judgment, when I never know. Well, me got shot down a Sudan. And tell the whole of the people them said them fi good on. Righteousness them fi live and shouldn't. Yeah, King Selassie is first, yeah. We ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go, hey. Who say Africa? Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, well everything I figure clean. Got the Rasta man of business if a submarine. When you're out, and when you're in. Rastafari is the ultimate, the red, gold and green. Anyway, me say I'm gonna try. Put up on the shit. So because the system is a vampire, too much crime and violence, disobedience, and no juvenile delinquents. I just wanna know for sure, when are we gonna stop pleasing our early desire? Segregation, separation, miseducation, it's a devastation. Look at the nation, now pray for you all. We're gonna liberate the poor African people, yeah. We're all one people, yeah. One love, my people. Damn, we got to unite as a people. Yes, my black African people. Damn, we're all one people, yeah. One love, my people. Damn, we got to unite as a people. Our dreams being shattered, wow. Our people being scattered. We were chastised and being battered. And if we die, it really doesn't matter. The bloods of the slaves, cause it's like water, there's no love for the slave. They even rape your daughter, kill your sons, auction you for millions of dollars. That's the words of the white collar. African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah. We are all black people, yeah. One love, my people. Reaching out to all the African people, yeah. Ethiopian people, yeah. One love, black people. Oh, we are Rastaman people. Too much crime and violence, disobedience, and no juvenile delinquents. I just wanna know for sure, when are we gonna stop pleasing our early desire?
segregation, separation, misceducation. It's a devastation, look at the nation. Now pray for you all. We're gonna liberate the poor. The children are crying, dying. Over and over they keep on trying. Yet it seems so because the system is a vampire. African people, yeah, we're all one people, yeah. One love, my people. Damn, we got to unite as a people. Yes, my black African people. Damn, we're all one people, yeah. One love, my people. Damn, we got to unite as a people. Our dreams being shattered. Whoa. Our people being scattered. We were chastised and being battered. And if we die, it really doesn't matter. The bloods and the slaves, cause it's like water, there's no love for the slave. They even rape your daughter, kill your sons, send you for millions of dollars. That's the words of the white collar. African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah, we are all black people, yeah, one love, my people, reaching out to all the African people, yeah, Ethiopian people, yeah, one love, black people. I make a roll in the country just to free my mess. Over time, cloud the mind, I can't lose my head. Go and tell the farmer I need the bread. It's his own adventurous. Look at the people suffer, yet they work so hard. Gotta be smart, gotta be free, wisdom is your reward. Think of your family and search yourself. Don't you go hurting yourself. Celebrate life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Life, celebrate life, we celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Hear from a girl like my nursery. Baby, this month is our anniversary. Be looking sexy, baby, as I mentioned, because I'm taking you somewhere special. You know it's not the time, not the weather. When you got someone that's even better. Stop the war, let them go whatsoever. Let us get together and celebrate life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Life. Celebrate life. Celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't like nothing no nice. Good to be here, good to be around. Spread the word, one love is the sound. Evil and the corrupt people, them get bound. Wicked man in their wicked deeds, see them drowning. Dance and praise unto Jah, no matter what. I judge and make it happen. So all way I go on. We are celebrate life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't life, nothing no nice. Life, celebrate life, celebrate life. Go and tell them we don't life, nothing no nice. Rolling the country just to free my mess. Over time, cloud the mind, gonna lose my head. Go and tell the farmer we need the bread. It's so adventurous. See the people suffer when the world's so wrong. Gotta be free, gotta be smart, fix the misery. Don't hurt yourself. Set yourself.
They wanna divide us, and them no want to rise up. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. Them no want we to rise up. That's why them try to divide us. And then they take us for a ride. Don't want us to be wise, the truth them hide up. use them religion for cause division. Political conflict cause segregation. Divide and rule, no good for any nation. That's why Rasta chant unification. The people can't survive without education. If the people not collective, all the people are go strong. If they don't organize, they know them are go set a plan. That's why we chant for liberation. When me say unity, strength, me tell the youth them say survival. My bond the ism and the schism and the tribal. And my bond the divisional, suicidal. Bond the oppressors, me say, and them a rival. Suppressing the people with political rival. Constrain economical tidal. Tell them so we no want no more reprisal. Else let's celebrate and no idol. One more loving on the region, so we get rid of the division. On the politics with the religion, let them know say that we not swear no legion. So plant more food, make it grow, cause enough more seed have to sow. How much more trees have to grow? By the sweat of your brow, no this is now your brow. Them want divide us, and them no one will rise up. And then they take us for a ride. No one gets to be wise to shoot them idol. They want to divide us, and them no one will rise up. They want to take us for a ride. No one gets to be wise to shoot them idol.
One more life gone down the drain. As I woke up this morning and turned the radio on, I heard the news bulletin, another man dead and gone. He was another victim of the bullet and the gun. It seems there was a hit on him, the way they shot him down. We've been wailing and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been wailing and mourning, another loved one is gone. Some blame it on the system for what is going on. But it's up to our thinking to do what's right from wrong. To divide and rule is the down presses plan. So they give us the tools of death and destruction. Now we've been wailing and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been waiting and mourning, another loved one is gone. Oh Lord, loved ones cry, and for God we pray. Good night to all the saints that feel. Of this tribal war, blood cock and splice. Tell the people, when will this thing stop? They make the weapons of death and destruction, and we keep using it to destroy our own nation. We've been waiting and mourning, another brother's on the ground. We've been waiting and mourning, another loved one is gone. We've been waiting and mourning,
this road so long, always singing my song, burning Babylon down. Oh, they just can't stop me now, 'cause I keep rolling on. I'm a winner from the day that I was born. Oh, as I ride, lift my head above the waters, ride, bless the sun among the daughters, ride, bless the mothers and the fathers, ride. And the barrier. Well, Shanga say, just share some love for humanity. Don't carry grudge, true vanity, and never lose your sanity. I end up in a calamity. Some may say again. Right now we need a change of policy. Tired of the war, it causes too much atrocity, too much verbal controversy, too much animosity. Want to eradicate the crime, you have to burn the poverty. As long as I live, I give and forgive and do good I can. Whoa, I just try with my step. I will never forget to do good I can. Whoa, some of us say, yeah, trying in this road so long, always singing my song, burning Babylon down. They just can't stop me now, 'cause I keep rolling on. I'm a winner from the day that I was born. Oh, as I ride my feet on my journey, give me strength when I'm weak. Oh Lord, yeah. Lift me up with your glory. Keep me safe on the streets. I lift my hands to the hills and thank you, Lord, for the showers of blessings you've been giving me. I could never be hateful, be ungrateful for the little that I have. I'm grateful. You're my shield and you're my refuge. You took away all my troubles. You washed away all my sorrows. Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with life. Guide my feet on my journey. Guide me, oh Lord. Give me strength when I'm weak. Lift me up with your glory. Keep me safe on the street. If you ever know the powers of choir, sweet, sweet choir, and the miracles it brings, make a joyful noise and sing to him, 'cause he's a King of kings. Kings of kings. His mercy is forever. So I need to testify, ready to sacrifice, even if it's gonna take all the days of my life, for the nation to realize. Guide my feet on my journey. Give me strength when I'm weak. When I'm weak right now.
Lift me up with your glory. Please keep me safe on the streets. I lift my hands to the hills and thank you, Lord, for the showers of blessing you've been giving me. You took away all my troubles, you washed away all my pain. Thank you, Lord, for blessing me with life. So, what's going on today? What's going on in this whole wide world? What's going on? Tell me, what's going on in this world today? Day by day we have to fret, wondering who is next from the corner. Day by day we wonder why food prices getting so high. Baby mother can't feed her children. She had to really make a little hustle. Everywhere you go in this world, you find people starving. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on today? What's going on? Tell me now in this whole wide world. Mr. Big Man sitting in his easy chair, he doesn't really care for the poor. Mr. Big Man living on the hill, he doesn't care about for people. Instead of making nuclear bombs to destroy the whole generation, instead of going to other countries, it's time to set the people free. What's going on? What's going on today? What's going on in this whole wide world? What's going on? Tell me what's going on. What's going on in this world today? Pray every day, don't waste your life away. Don't chuck badness, don't go the wrong way.
I will never fail, from my emperor Selassie, I the youth them are ill. I will never fail, I will never fail. I good over evil, righteousness must have to prevail. I will never fail, I will never fail. When I broke down the barriers and the borders and the rail, I will never fail, I will never fail. But the black star line a man a sail. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one ya leave them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one ya take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. Boom, that one that name chop. Hold the orders and the discipline. And tell the whole of them not try for this the king. Cause we are the king of all kings. We not eat the fish them cause we know them have to swim. We not eat the bird them cause we know them have to sing. Emperor Selassie ruler over all things. Tell them some be careful of the words when them a fling. Now me tell the youth to go them locks and say no trim. King Shango coming down. Yo, that one ya lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man head bust like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, so King Shango coming down. Yeah, that one ya take them like a lava. Oh, boom, a boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman them alone myself we get this harder, yeah. So me say you get hypocrites may wanna see me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they're trying to push me down, but I ain't giving up. I know they will Look how I'm leaning. It on. Yo, the one you lick them like a lava. Boom, wicked man, head was like guava. Right now the youth them say them getting brother, yeah. Hey, vacation go coming order. Yeah, the one you take them like a lava. Oh, Buna boy we climb a man border. Cause if the woman never alone myself we get disorder, yeah. Alright, then the one and name. Well, enough no have no substance. Find out enough get eat out by duckans. Yo, them so big, them feel it and drop. They think they coulda get us out, but they only running them out. Whoa, think they coulda get us out. Fireman a blaze up the fire, not even water can out. Fireman a blaze them out. East, west, north and south. Whoa, fireman a blaze them out. Babylon me know so them coulda never get us out. Right. Say them want to take it over, me see say them not sober. Babylon me a go turn it over. Say them want to take it over, them couldn't make it over, couldn't stretch it over. That one and him, so them couldn't cross the bridge through the dirty life. When none for them a live, Rastafari is the ultimate. Give and forgive, and tell the ghetto you them righteousness, well them for dig. I say again, think they coulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, think they coulda get us out. Fireman a blaze up the fire, not even water can out. Fireman a burn them out. East, west, north and south. Whoa, fireman a blaze them out. Fireman a blaze can out. Alright then, yo, hey, get a youth when you watch shot. Watch the road you step, cause Babylon, the whole of them mad. Alright again, them bust your head like salad. The whole of them would grudge you for everything you have. But anyway, never leave your head back careless, cause Babylon we take it like a bailiff. Yo, any day this Rastafari no play this. Me say again, you see, think they woulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, think they woulda get us out. Fireman and blaze up the fire and the water can out. Think they woulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, fireman and burn them out. Burn them in the east, the west, the north and the south. Well, Babylon, me tell them say no way I wanna retire, cause I blaze up this fire higher and burn by the wire, yeah. Cause the fireman a blaze, no have the time for gaze, and tell them change their evil ways. Alright again, do you see the flame blue? They know them true. Rastafari, then what you wanna do, yeah. If you see the flame red, then you know it's a beer and a vampire. I'm gonna get back, so me say again. If you see the flame green, then you know what me mean. Me burning out them evil and them scheme, yeah. If you see the flame gold, then you know me burning out the evil out them soul, yeah. Think they woulda get us out, but them only running them out. Whoa, think they woulda get us out. Fireman, fire not even extinguish and no out. Think they woulda get us out. Think they woulda get us out. Whoa.
Girl, I love to see you when you're dressed up and freshed up. I got it all for you. Don't think I'm rude, it's just a blessing when I call to you. I see it in your eyes, you're acting shy. No, you wanna be mine. Love is so beautiful, ain't it? Why are we passing each other like that? Why aren't we talking to each other like that? I've seen you so many times, it's just I and by. But now is the time my acquaintance get greater. But how about getting to know each other? How about you and I being much closer? There's something about our love ain't gonna go away. Love ain't gonna go away. My darling dear, we're exchanging words, showing all my care, trust in love. I see it in your eyes, you're acting shy. No, you wanna be mine. Love is so beautiful, ain't it? wanna break us up. In each other's arms we're waking up. I've seen you so many times, just I and by. But now is the time my acquaintance get greater. How about getting to know each other? How about you and I being much closer? There's something about love ain't gonna go away. Love ain't gonna go away. Girl, I love to see you when you're dressed up and freshed up. I got it all for you. Don't think I'm rude. It's just a blessing when I call to you. I see it in your eyes, you're acting shy. No, you wanna be mine. Love is so beautiful, ain't it? Why are we passing each other like that? Why aren't we talking to each other like that? I've seen you so many times. It's just I and by. But now is the time my acquaintance get greater. How about getting to know each other? How about you and I being much closer? There's something about love ain't gonna go away. Love ain't gonna go away. How about getting to know each other? How about you and I being much closer? There's something about love ain't gonna go away.
Learn to behave yourself, famous for your character and your intelligence. Go ahead, don't you destroy yourself. For the first, enjoy yourself. It's all yours, Rastafari teacher, everything, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Survival is the very thing, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Here you know, Rastafari give by everything, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything, yeah. Survival is the very thing, yeah. In a the ghetto, me say a day we live. The people in the earth and now they're off, activated by the laws of nature, yeah. Magnetized by the words, your blessing come. Everyone is looking out for progress, yeah. The earth is our very place where the flowers bloom, every color with many shades, yeah. With you on the grass and the sun glaze, there should be no hate for everyone's sake. Rastafari teach I everything, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Survival is the very thing, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Hey, Rastafari give us everything, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Mama Africa, survival is the very thing, yeah. Never deny yourself for anything. Hey, whoa. Nah, seems no fire cause with family support. The message of Rastafari open up every door. The black culture, black people keep asking for more. Got to be sure the birds right up. Israel security, the zeal of the bigger. Find out love and the cure. Must have we make it from your clean and pure. Blood we bread and come and we share it. This is the only way me know. All we wanna that in a delight it off for sure. The blessing from the ceiling to floor. Rastafari teach I everything. Never deny yourself for anything. Yeah, survival is the very thing. Never deny yourself for anything.
Hey, Lord, God life. Get up now, straight to the God of creation. Get up, say anyways, I'm Anyway, Jah me go. Cabana man will follow. Anyway, Jah me go. I will follow to the ends of the earth, to the depths of the sea, to the highest mountain to perform Jah work. I'm ever ready. From the words were spoken, from the days of anciency, it was ordained to be. I fulfill my destiny. What is to be must be. Say anyway, Jah me go. I get man will follow. And anyway, Jah me go. Rasta man will follow. Yes, anyway, Jah me go. Cabana man will follow. Anyway, Jah me go. Again, I will follow. We fight against the Amorites and destroy the Philistines. 10,000 to my left and 1 million by my right, fighting with all of my. Oh, Jah is battalion strong, fighting all day long, defending the poor and the meek of the land on creation. Say anyway, Jah me go. Anywhere, I get man will follow. And anyway, Jah me go. Rasta man will follow. Cause anyway, Jah me go. Cabana man will follow. Anyway, Jah me go. Anyway, I will follow.
From centuries upon centuries.
Lord, the word is much mightier than the sword, and the tongue much more than the gun. So listen to the messenger I touch down. Lord, use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Mighty full power complete jammer them. Well, some think that the world is all there is. Oh, but what about the power that exists within? Mightier is he that is within you and me than all the things you can see. Listen to Jah messenger, is giving you these words of prophecy. Well, use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up Jah lyrics and grammar them. Word sound and power complete hammer them. Don't, hey. Use Jah words and hammer them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Don't, them and them one I God. Them and them one I God. Them busting up the place and swear to God said them bad. But I'm mad, them mad. No man no better than Master God. Cause he will lick you with the lightning rod. Hey Lord, use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Word sound and power come fi jammer them. Don't use Jah words and armor them. Do Jah works and stammer them. Use up good lyrics and grammar them. Don't Budada dang, budada day. Stick it to that, do that, do that, dang, dang. The world is much money. I do. Every minute, every second, every hour. I do. That's why I chant my psalm and say my prayer. I do. My past is my present and my future. I do.
when I call on Him, He will hear my supplication. He is my rock and my salvation. Oh yes, I do, every minute, every second, every hour. I do, that's why I turn my sermons in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, every minute, every second, every hour. With all the wonders He has done upon this creation, from the rising of the sun until it goeth down. I will lift my voice to Him, the one who rules eternally. He's my master and my king. He is my destiny. Yes, on Him I can depend in every little thing. He is willing to defend my soul from every sin. So I do, every minute, every second, every hour. I do, that's why I turn my silence in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, every minute, every second, every hour. Great is the Lord, and greatly to be praised. His wondrous works are seen from days of days. Yes, He's been good to all, both mighty and small. In the midst of any crisis, He hears me when I call. I do, every minute, every second, every hour. I do, that's why I turn the sermons in my pride. I do, my past is my present and my future. I do, every minute, every second, every hour.
Just to make things work, yeah. Hey. I've been trying my best so long, trying to make things work. Gave you so much love and affection, that's all I needed in return. But it looks like I'm heading for a heartbreak, and I might get hurt. If you don't love me, let me know right now. You don't know what my love is worth. Cause if you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. Cause if you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. I've been haunted by the certain feelings for quite some time. A little breeze has turned into a whirlwind. Gotta get it off my mind. I tried to hold it just to see where it was going. Tried my best to be strong. Gave you some time just to get yourself together, but it's taking too long. If you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. If you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. Yeah. We can't take this no longer. Oh no. I said no more. No more should we suffer. Ooh, yeah. In the little island where I live. another. We should be loving and guiding and caring to each other. Yes, we all are one, created by the Father. United we stand and divided we fall. Help your brother up while he's back against the wall. Oh, wait. Guns and ammunition, we don't need that at all. What we need is love, so we can stand tall. You're moving too fast, you're riding for a fall. No. Back where we do negative vibes, we don't need that at all. Positive movements, we need after all. I say no. We can't take this no longer. No. I say no. No more should we suffer. No. What we need is love, yeah. Love and understanding. Yes, we want more love. So united we stand and divided we fall. Help you brother up while he's back against the wall. The guns and ammunition, we don't need that at all. What we need is love, so we can stand tall. You're moving too fast, yes, you're riding for a fall. Oh. I say no more. We can't take this no longer. No. I say no more.
It's last year, I know.
No more should we suffer.
Black millennium, yo. Ethiopia, Africa. Yeah, I'm so love the youths of the earth. Be positive when the day go bright. So show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make them stamp set the blood up on Jaja land. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them know them educated and strong. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths them stamp set the blood up on the land. Show more love in Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know set them positive and them strong. Can't afford for the love to go missing, cause everyone would be fussing, fighting and dissing. Can't afford no hate and chipping, cause everyone would be vexed. Your work will get skipping. Ancients of days, they know the way. Rasta man, they are selfish all the way. Innocent lives been blown away, yeah. A lot of kids been thrown away, yeah. So show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make them stamp set the blood up on Jaja land. Show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths them know them educated and strong. Show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths them stamp set the blood up on the land. Show more love in Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths know set them positive and them strong. A lot of people despise them while they wait for the visions to open up their eyes. Then why is it the wicked man that fight them? Now they're saying to themselves it seems no one really like them. Teach the children love and make them learn to, cause if the Rasta not teach them who them a turn to, show them how much you're really concerned to. Wicked people gonna burn too. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make them stamp send the blood up on Jaja land. Show them more love, Mr. Rasta man. Make the youths them know them educated and strong. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make the ghetto youths stamp send the blood up on Jaja land. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make the youths know them clean and strong. Wow, don't you hype and exalt it out. Poor people business come sort it out. Serious thing don't laugh it out. Righteousness I come start it out. Yeah, we are all brothers keeper. Yeah, we are sisters keeper. Ooh, of course we are one people. And I'm always gonna say it's good over evil. Yeah, me now. So more love, Mr. Rasta man. I make them stamp set the blood up on Jaja land. Show them more love, Mr. Rasta man. Make the youths them know them educated and strong. No more love and Mr. Rastaman. Make the get and youths know so them live on the land. So more love and Mr. Rastaman. I make the youths know so them positive and them strong. Can't afford for the love to go missing, cause everyone would be fussing, fighting and dissing. Can't afford no hate and chipping, cause everyone would be vexed.
Some of me no hug nor embrace. Zion is a bountiful place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. Hey, this are in a them face. When I come here so we sip of them taste. Hey, this are where turn and great. I chant on the wicked heart quake. On the seats, make me know them wouldn't come. So them would cheat and I want make them run. You look, you live, you looking at your gun roll. Check positive, accumulate up some. Give me the blessing, cause the blessings will count. Never you worry, I won't miss not a ounce. You this last thing, you know make it up mount. Zion we a pounce, this a African face. Some of me no hug nor embrace. Mount Zion is a very high place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. I trampling on them face. When I come here suffering, I'm from them place. I chant on the wicked heart chase. I plant on the righteous come break. Oh, tell them say, be so fine with the love one number. Please, no worry your mind if you're wealthy. Please, from you I read that boundary. Please, just let me see your face out of the heat. No yam, no me, no them all a bahana. No worry yourself, no the Rasta man now. Look, the lion is the healing herbs and looks. You know what praise the way I come on the rocks in your face. Smoke, me no hug nor embrace. When I come here suffering, I'm from them place. I chant on the wicked heart a chase. Hey, trampling on them face. Chant before the wind water race. Greater than great was the rage. I chant on the wicked heart a quake. Do you know? Tell them say. Rising when it's surprising, bringing them to them sense. Get to youth been maximizing, Rasta open them eyes. Round them for us, I see high children stand at the side. Lightning dropping around, they go against the most high. Putting up the evil, what they want, they big and wondering why. Giving the eye, been the chant, now they can't satisfy. No, half the seeds are plant, I know the youth won't cry. When I all a chant, I know enough for go fry. The rivers are go stop and all them fresh got dry. I know them a look for see God come from sky. I build upon them, Jesus, now get no reply. Can you do without this earth? In a them face. Smoke, me no hug nor embrace. I chant so I want you to break. I plant, never you chase. In a them face. When I come here so face if of them face. I plant, righteous will break. I chant, wicked heart a chase. No them wouldn't come. So them wicked then I want make them run. You look, you live, you looking at your dog. Just positive what you mean later.
I'm in love with you, baby, doing real fine. I'm your soldier, my baby. You can call me anytime. We're getting older each day, so say what's on your mind, girl. Like I told you of lately, I'm here to treat you fine. You're invited at my place. I'm so excited to see your face. I want to hold you by your waist. Explore this world with grace. Girl, let's spread that goodly news. Girl, I love your mellow mood. We ain't got nothing to prove than to love each other, that's true. I'm in love with you, baby, doing real fine. I'm your soldier, my baby. You can call me anytime. We're getting older each day, so say what's on your mind, girl. Like I told you of lately, I'm here to treat you fine. Turn it up, hey, put it on the blaster. For the purpose of love, it ain't no laughter. You find a beautiful girl, treat and care you. What more can a man ask for? Mistrust and lies, yeah, delete them. And the fuss and the fight, you don't need them. Girl, my love gotta come to some sort of agreement. Don't take away your love. Don't take away your love. Girl, what would I do? I'm so much for you. Girl, we gotta stay in touch. Don't take away your love. Don't take away your love. Girl, what would I do? I'm so much for you. Girl, we gotta stay in touch. I'm in love with you, baby. Doing real fine. I'm your soldier, my baby. You can call me anytime. We're getting older each day. So say what's on your mind.
Can't you carry on? Sing my favorite song. Burning by me love. No one of them. Who's gonna stop them? All of these problems. When you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna stop them? All of these problems. When you involve them. Alright, I want to know. If it's self and protect, you know you must care. Them never know how we got the first chair. Look what they did to school fee and bus fare. Clean up the place, me say we don't want to dust here. Stop from pollute the atmosphere. The people them are quarrying and a cuss hair. Systematically the system they don't just hear. There is no justice, they do what just hear. That one day. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. Make sure you resolve them. When you involve, say that system you need to get rid of. I squeeze the people them tighter than a tweezer. It make enough get a youth want to leave ya. Right now them say them want to get a visa. We go try make life in the freezer. You know see them want to make life easier. Mama want food, Papa want food. Them on the system now because them are deceiver. The one you know. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, make sure you can resolve them. Who's gonna solve them? All of these problems. When you involve them, alright, so go so yo. So that system you need to corral in. 4,000 and the people them
King Celestia never let us down. Yes, you wear the triple crown, yo.
Protect us from enemy, and you make we no friend, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Whoa, protect us from enemy, and you make we no friend, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Whoa, so no one can name. Oftentimes I see they try to put them foot in on me shoes, the lace and tie. Whoa, wicked heart no get no blind. Me put them in the fire, make the whole of them go fry. So me say again, oftentimes they try to prove, yo, and try to put their foot in on me shoes, yeah. They're mentally confused. Try this the king and now the whole of them. God protect us from enemy, and he make we no friend in me, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Why? God protect us from enemy, and he make we no friend in me, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Alright, I want that name just. All my life I've been excellent. God protect us from this pestilence, yeah. Burning out them silly sense. Tell the youth them say intelligence, yo again. Just protect us from the wolf and from the fox. Just fly them snails and just fly them chop. And tell the ghetto youth them never stop. Burn the fire, red hot, yeah. Just protect us from enemy,
And you make we know a friend of me, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up in the way. Whoa, Jah protect us from enemy, and you make we know a friend of me, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up in the way. Yo, bigger judgments, enough of them heart not clean. That's why me burning them evil scheme, yeah. We get the vision, them a dream. Size 10 coulda never fit a size 13 again. Off it straight you can't lean, wow. Rastafari burn them, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep the fire burning, blazing. Tell you them stop gazing, yeah. Jah protect us from enemy, and you make we know friendly, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Wow, Jah protect us from enemy, and you make we know friendly, yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up enemy. Wow, so no one can say. Half the time I see them go in the building. Righteousness like all the nations, and it's a reproach any man or any people. Yo, guys, I love you, let me tell you something. I live up time, now give up my eye. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. Couldn't turn it in a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Have to burn these fires and flame when I came to town. Cause when I came to town, I came here on a mission. I came to burn out all the wicked politician. Make them know straight says a time bomb them sit on. I figure above ill through my intuition. Yo again, line lips is abomination. Them use politics for divide the nation. I feel all a meditation, chant for liberation and salvation. Yo again, make them know education is the key. Babylon I sell out the ghetto youths them free. But tell them in no love or them a pre. But find out enough of them a fake, enough of them unfree. Wow, we no business if them won't reach 33. We no business if them won't reach the highest degree. Rastafari is the ultimate team. More sanity, solidarity, alright. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. This place was a shooting range when I came to town. Babylon were acting strange when I came to town. Couldn't put the youth on the shooting range when I came to town. Yo again, them used to say Rasta anti-social. Them even fight against Bob Marley vocal. But Fireman had done the whole of them total. And burn out all the leaders, them were so call. Yo, past promises how with them couldn't navigate. Rastafari works, the youth them have to agitate. To consciousness, they get to youth them gravitate. And your King Selassie, I straight, some me say again. Rastafari no wall and bone. Can I tell them say we burn skull and bone, yo. Yes, Selassie, I him go on the throne. Now walking enough of them zone anyway. Rastafari speak the truth. Why Babylon try to violate the youth? I go on like them smart and I go on like them cute. But Mama Earth, she defend the roots. I'm say again, I live up time. Now give up mine. Live up time. Now give up mine. Shine. Things had to rearrange when I came to town. Them couldn't turn it in a shooting range. We need more love and trust. Justice is all what we need. So let us be conscious, so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That won't make us achieve. I don't love and just burn them envy and greed. It's the same old story. No lose the sanity. Same old story about the vanities. Same old story.
bear promises. Same old story. So that one on him. So they always say what they gonna do. Still they always do what they wanna do. And they always say what they never do. And the words they speak is never true. Still a pressure them apply. After them sick as a living and getting so high. Everything gone sky high. I wonder if them ever felt the people pain when the people cry. Them told like that sky is the limit. And still when me ready for my share, them a tell me say it finished. Long time slavery abolished and diminished. With them still I go with them willing listen it. The one that love. It's the same old story. Their promises. Same old story. No lose the sanity. Same old story. No bow for vanities. Same old story. We need more love and trust. Justice is all that we need. So let us be conscious, so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That won't make us achieve. I don't love and just burn them envy and greed. It's the same old story. No lose the sanities. Same old story. No bow for vanities. Same old story. Bear promises. Same old story. So that one on him. So they always say what they gonna do. Still they always do what they wanna do. And they always say what they never do. And the words they speak is never true. Still a pressure them apply. After them sick as a living and getting so high. Everything gone sky high. I wonder if them ever felt the people pain when the people cry. Them told like that sky is the limit. And still when me ready for my share, them a tell me say it finished. Long time slavery abolished and diminished. With them still I go with them willing listen it. The one and them. It's the same old story. Their promises. Same old story. No lose the sanities. Same old story. No bow for vanities. Same old story. So that one and him. Premature promises will make you get discouraged. Inflation getting high, economical worries. So me tell the ghetto youth them don't get discouraged. Me want them from the carnal nigga sex to the
I don't like the way they fuss and fight. People, don't you think it's time you think it over? Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Look how many loved ones going down under. Don't you think that all these leaders should stop and consider? From the beginning when Cain killed Abel, what is happening today is written in the Bible. All the fussing and fighting and backbiting. From that day till today, mankind has been unstable. But beg you cool off the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If you go on like this, tell me how will you exist? I said to cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah. With all of the billions they spend on warfare, oh gosh, people are still suffering out there. Yes. What is really wrong with humankind? Don't you see it's time you put your violence and crime behind? But you cool
down the war. Tell me what you're fighting for. If we go on like this, tell me how will we get it? Cool down the heat, trample the violence on the feet. We can come together and make our lives complete. Yeah, ceasefire. Tell me what you really require. Ceasefire. War is nothing but disaster. Ceasefire. Hungry used to need them supper. Ceasefire. Ceasefire. Yeah. Don't you think mankind should try to think it over? Yes. Cause this violence and crime is getting out of control. Bobby, 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 run. Run. Wicked Babylon. You better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. You set up your evil system to work the people for nothing and think you will get away. Never. Someday you'll have to pay. You give benefits to a few to enforce your point of view. But tell me what you gonna do when the tables turn on you. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you gonna reap what you sow. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Unconscionable plutocrats, you live in the life of diplomats. You watch the people struggle with the little that they got. You legislate your law just to safeguard your outlaws who rob and rape and plunder the hard-working sufferers. Wicked Babylon, you better let your people go. If you know what I know, you better let your people go. Wicked Babylon, you're gonna reap what you sow.
No style for the progress. Something good going on, yo. Let's move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No time for skylarking and the good news. This what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what? Let's move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No time for skylarking. Damn. Big house, pretty cars and money to spend. Meditation, education, all for the children. Pretty clothes and girls and rose dust your hand. Them foes, me know you not know with them. Price is ugly every blasted day. People like you, people love you, but what can I say? We still gonna be getting rich anyway. How many times I told you why the sunshine make? Hey, what's out and stop style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you better move it to. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No time for skylarking. Yo, hey, what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? Hey, you know, try to break my sense of being. With your media slanders, propagandas, they're trivial. I'm doing what I'm doing, it must alone you idiot. Here come a blessing, I think Selassie give it that. It's my time, don't block the road. Work for what you want, don't you know that's the goal. Length of days are better, but stand down strong. Oh, we never stop, we never turn back. Oh no, what's out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No time for skylarking, and the good news this watch out and no style for me progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it. Right now we're living up, don't they notice? No, they just can't trust this. 6 days of hard work in the sun, just to feed the little daughter and the little son. You rest on the Sabbath day, the Sabbath that know you know no with them. Let's struggle every blasted day. People like to people love you, but what can I say? We still gonna be getting rich anyway. How many times I told you why the sunshine make? What out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what? Let's move it. Right now we living up down the notice. Yo, hey, I did go to music. Watch out and no style for the progress. Something good going on, so what you got to move it. Hey, I did good news this. You're listening, you try to break my style.